Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to see the matter and what is the fundamental factors is there for matter. The lesson name is Unit 4 Matter and Phenomena and Evolution of Matter. Then this class the learning objectives is know about the types of matter, what are the types of matter is available, then know the symbols of various elements. Okay, regarding the chemistry. I think you already know we are already seen our day-to-day life where three types of matters is available. One is a solid, another one is liquid, another one is gas. Okay, in solid, the atoms or molecules are perfect arrangement and perfect distance, but liquid is comparatively very low. The gases is comparatively very low. The order of entropy is very less comparatively solid and liquid. The gas entropy is very high. Then what is the matter? And matter is here. Matter as simple but fundamental. Okay, but only one thing is there. Without matter, we can't do anything. Okay, you can assume building a home with the help of bricks. Okay, the small part of bricks is still arranging a repeated and regular interval and regular arrangement. We get a big home. Like that, a matter is a very small and tiny particle. The each and every matter arranged in perfect arrangement, we get a substance, molecules or atoms. Okay. Then I give the small definition about that matter. The term of matter refers to anything that occupies the space and as mass. Okay. The anything the substance. See the picture. This also one of the matter. This hand also one of the matter. Anything refers to occupies the space their own masses is called a matter. Okay. The matter can be defined as anything which can be occupy the space of volume and mass and can be perceived by our sense. This is an important one. That matter can be perceived by our sense. So only we say that is a matter or substances. Then the something that occupy the space, a physical substance is generally distinct as our from mind and spirit. Subject is one of the consideration product but important and significant for our day-to-day life. Matter is usually classified into three classical stage. I already said what are the stages? Solid, liquid and gases. This is the three usually classical states for the matter. The definition of matter based on its a physical and chemical structure is matter is made up of the atom. Okay, depends upon the atomic arrangement, depends upon the atom arrangement, the chemical and physical properties was changed for each and individual atoms or matters. See, as we know already, matter can exist in the three forms. Then, how the matter is composed? The matter is anything physical states is composed by the smaller particle such as atoms, molecules or ions. You can understand in chemistry the fundamental particle is atom. Atom is a very small and tiny particle. The atom can build and arrange repeatedly, regularly. We can get a molecule. The molecules are also made up of an atom of some different kind. Hence, the atom can building a blocks of matter. So you can assume this is called we are constructing a new home. Take a small bricks and arrange a repeat and regular interval. Finally, we get a big home. So a small and tiny particle of atom, arrangement of regular and repeated arrangement, we can get a unique type of matter. Unique type of matter. This is a fundamental particle for atom. What is that one? A atom is the smallest particle of element. Atom is the smallest particle of element. It is very tiny particle also. Then a molecule. The two atoms are combined to give a molecule. Atoms of the element of a different elements combine to form a molecule. Whether you can understand the element also is same, atom also is same. Element or atom are same because that is a very small particle, smallest particle. Then the smallest particle can arranged one or two repeatedly, we can get a molecule. Then ions, atoms or group of atoms having any charges. I already said in our class also for your lower section, atoms or group of atoms is bearing any charges in top of the symbol, we should say that is called a ions. That is called a ions. I can give a small examples, atom, molecules and ions. See, atoms I already said a small particle. Then molecule is made up of neutron and electron. So two or more. Electron is one of the atom, one of the particle of atom. So molecule is made up of one or two atoms combined state. Okay. Then the ions. The combined molecule get any charges, whether the plus charges or minus charges. We should say that is called ions. Now we can understand what is meant by atom, what is meant by molecule, and what is meant by ion. Atom is the smallest part and the smallest part combined to give a molecule. The combined molecule is having any charges, that is said to be a ions.
Thing. All things in the world
Why the symbol as represented the chemical elements? I can give the small explanation about the symbols. Symbol is a mark, sign or word that indicates, signifies or understood a representing an idea, object or relationship. Idea or object or relationship. This is our major aim. To easy understanding for a elements, we can write a symbols. It's a better information sharing and communication for better understanding. Okay, then how we are going to represent it? One, the sum of the symbol in mathematical we are using a numerical, alphabets or variables, so n number of symbols is there. In chemistry also that one 5 types of symbols is there. So in this video we are going to see that what are the 5 major classification types of symbols is there. Okay, then they denote a mathematical operation by symbol. For example, plus denote a addition and minus denote a subtraction. In the same way, in chemistry, each element is denoted by a symbol for our better understanding. Then writing out the name of the element every time would be a trouble one. Okay. Then so the name of the element is represented shortened from called as symbol. So we can take one barium. Each and every place we can't able to write a barium. It took a time. Otherwise, it makes us difficult for writing. So better we can ask instead of barium, we took a represent a barium as a B as a bold letter and capital letter and A as a small letter. So barium will be represented as a BA. The simple represented and shortened, you can easily understandable for that one. That is all. This is a major important to instead of writing a name, we can writing a symbols for the represented name. Then symbols of the element. What are different types of elements? What are the different types of symbols is available? First one, the Greek symbol. Second one, alchemist symbol. Third one, Dalton symbols. Fourth one, pictorial symbols. And fifth one, Brazilian symbols. Okay, now I'm going to explain on each and every symbols for individually. First, I'm going to explain a Greek symbol. Okay, geometrical shapes. In this Greek symbol, we are using a geometrical shape. Otherwise, conveniently for variable representing sent text message is not understandable. Okay, this is a Greek symbol. Is first one is a convention for variable representing. What are the variables is representing? But water, sky, land, like that is there. Some we can able to representing instead of writing word, we can using a geometrical shape, whether that may be a square, whether that may be a cube, whether that may be a triangle, like that we can write that symbols indicate that is called this. Like that we can introduce a Greek symbol in the first invention, but here only one major problem is there. Whether we are send it as a text messages to another person, the another person is not aware about that one Greek symbols, is totally time waste and then totally economically is totally and economically is lost. So only the Greek symbol get a major failure for invention time. So the Greek to represented in 4 basic elements around such as the earth, air, fire and water. How they are representing? See, is one of the light triangle is there. The fire means the triangle get upward. The earth means the triangle get downwards. In between the one line is there. See the twisted form of air. See the split zero, negative oval shape. Then water is a below triangle. This is simply is confusing for the another person also. So only this Greek symbol get failed. The scientists move for another symbol, alchemist symbol. Alchemist symbol. Originally, the alchemist is nothing but originally devices a part of alchemy were used to denote some of the elements and some of the compound until the 18th century. The alchemist symbols were using until the 18th century only. The style is symbol and variables we can mention for this symbol. The alchemist is a major important the module of chemical science. Alchemist is a module of chemical science. A man to achieve the transmutation of base metal into the gold. This is the major important for the alchemist job. The base metals into the gold for the medical purposes to discovery of a universal cure of disease, and the discovery of means prolonging a life. This is job of alchemists. These alchemists are introducing a symbols like, see, very stylish symbols they are introducing. This also very difficult to understand, and this also very difficult to write. Finally, the Dalton was introducing a symbols. Dalton symbols. Dalton symbols is majorly represented as the atoms of an element or identical mass. So is majorly focusing on the mass of the atom. Then a decade after a Dalton formulated his symbols. What are the formulated is identified means depends upon the mass the formulation get altered. See, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, iron, sulfur depends upon the mass. The symbol is denoted like this. The symbols of element proposed by the Dalton were difficult to remember and draw. Therefore, an alternative method of representing the elements was proposed by Berzelius. So, Berzelius is one of the Swedish chemists also introducing a elements or symbols, elements of symbols. Okay. Now, I am going to explain the next symbol, that is a pictorial symbol. The pictorial symbol is majorly these symbols are difficult to draw and hence they are not used for historical they are not used, so only used for historical importance. So this is very oldest pictorial symbols. Pictorial symbol is nothing but related to picture. So only this is only historical importance, but is don't have the values to writing in your examination. The otherwise is having a difficulty to draw instead of writing a word. This picture is difficult to draw. So only the chemist, the Nobel team will be skipped these types of symbols and they are introduced. See, the pictorial symbols is like that. See, some oxygen. This you can see that Maruti vans and Maruti Benz like this. Though why this like this means this is also indicate the atoms. This also indicate the atom. The symbol instead of writing phosphor, you can draw this means the scientist can understand this is a phosphorus. Gold means you can draw a thick circle and then between the G very thick. So this is also a failure method, is also having a difficulty to draw and then difficult to understanding and difficult to remembering. The finally, the Swedish chemist was introduced the Berzelius symbols. The Berzelius symbols is nothing but a modified version of Berzelius symbols as follows the handling system of determining symbol of elements. The system for determining symbol of elements is a universal method. Is till now is not altered anything. See, nowadays the modern chemist periodic table was arranged the Berzelius symbols only. See, what are the Berzelius symbols is there? Already boron, it means the symbol can B. Oxygen, the symbol can O. Carbon, symbol can C. The phosphorus symbol can P. Okay. Like that, the Berzelius was introducing a symbol for our better understanding. But the here also is the some of the difficulties were find out after the so many alternation. The system for determining symbols of element can introduce some of the assumption ratio in our chemistry. See, did you know how to write a symbol for a given element? First, if the element has single English letter as symbol, first single letter is a symbol. It should be written as in capital letter. This should be written as in capital letter. Then for elements having two letter symbols, the first letter should be in capital, the followed by the small letter. Now I am showing you. The oxygen stand for O of element and oxygen is representing only O as a capital form. Then the small recap of this one. What are the symbols we have learned this video? The Greek symbols, alchemist symbols, Dalton symbol, pictorial symbol and Berzelius symbol. Here the very much important is Berzelius symbol only, because this symbol was only applicable in modern physical chemistry and then modern chemistry science. The Berzelius symbol is having here two or three types of naming mechanism. Supposed to be Latin letter, supposed to be Greek letter, supposed to be a normal English letter. Depends upon the letter the name was coined. Then this is the assessment for your better understanding, student. The Find the Berzelius symbol for following atom. So you can take a modern periodic table in your hand, modern periodic table chart in your hand, then write what the symbol of hydrogen. I explaining only in this section. What is the symbol of hydrogen means? H as capital letter. Suppose what is the symbol of sodium? You go and see that sodium symbol for the your periodic table. Then ask why that symbol was changed. Then you should write the organ. You should search the organ. Then find out the symbol of organ. The organ symbol is AR. So magnesium also, magnesium symbol is nothing but Mg. First I said you can write first two letter, first one is capital, second one is small. But why we write a magnesium as instead of lifting the second letter, we took a third letter? You can ask the question for next class. Then the chromium. This also same condition. Okay. Now you can understand. I need any 5 Berzelius symbol for in this data. Particularly, you should explaining why the symbols are coined. Okay. Then you go through the video 1 or 2 times. Then you can ask a question regarding the Berzelius symbols. The Berzelius symbol is very important for our modern periodic table and modern chemistry. Okay. In followed videos, we are going to explaining how to write a structures for each and every elements. Yeah, each and every elements is having a individual structures. Okay. Thank you, students.